Hello YouTube, we're going to do a shock upgrade on the Onyx today. You know, my son was debating on which ones to go with. You know, we were looking at the ones with the reservoirs. The thing is, I don't think they would clear this rack back here. I mean, you could probably turn them around, and then I don't know if the reservoir would get in the way of your leg. You know, or you could probably even run those upside down. But at the end of the day, we went with these ones from Treatland TV. These are dual rate shock adjustable. They have something called Egoboost technology. I'm not sure what that's all about. These are actually the shorter ones. These are adjustable from 320 to 340 millimeter. They make ones that are 350 millimeter to 370 millimeter. So that matches more, you know, the stock Onyx shock size, 350 millimeter. So these are going to, you know, the benefit of these is going to bring the seat height down about 10 millimeters. Another thing, these shorter ones have 10 millimeter eyelets. So you're not going to need any kind of adapters or anything like that. They should just bolt right on without any issues. And then since they have a smaller eyelet, I'm wondering if they're using a softer rate spring. There goes Puff. Where are you going, Puff? So I'm not sure if they're using a softer rate spring, but you know, I can't find any markings on here, but we're going to go ahead and give it a try. We're going to put them on, and then we'll go for a little off-road test and see how they do. Okay, it should be a straightforward install. Start on the top here. This one off. All right, now washer off the back. Okay, and save these aluminum spacers here. You're gonna need those. All right, drop the top one on. Oops. Where's my other spacers? Right here in my hand. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, they are shorter, man. Let's see. I'll smash this rack down a little bit. I mean, compress the other side. All right. Now, top one on. Back here. Okay. There's a washer behind here. Put the nut on it. And then, you know, before you tighten this up, go ahead and do I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, just so it doesn't, you know, tweak anything. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I've got them down all the way on their softest setting, and they look pretty good on there. I mean, they look better than the stock ones anyway. All right, I'll do a bounce test before and after. We'll do a slow-mo. Okay, so they definitely are softer than the stock shocks. To me, they still seem a little bit stiff, but we'll see how it goes. I'm thinking though, you know, maybe you don't want them too soft, because what if you have two people on there? You know, well, that might you might get into a bottom out situation, and it is sitting lower than before, just slightly. I like the way it sits. It's sitting pretty good right now. All right, we're gonna take it off road and see what happens. Okay, so we're gonna go check these shocks out. Go do a little bit of off-road riding. I must say, they do look good on there though. You want to go in here?
Yeah.
All right. Where do you go in at? By the train station?
What?
Where do you go in? By the train station?
Yeah, it's a little sketchy, but I saw some guy running up there. Like, see how we're riding right here?
Yeah.
I saw some guy running at the top of the mountain. I was like, how the hell did he get up there?
Oh, wow. Okay. I see him actually moving.
Yeah, dude.
Huh?
For sure.
They are actually. Oh, damn. Oh, this is a fire road, man, is what this is.
Like, dude, right here, I would have.
Whoa! Almost ate it, man. God.
Pretty cool little trail.
Yeah, it is, man. So what do you think, man, so far?
It's an improvement, dude. They're way better.
Like on the stock shock scale of 1 to 10 on the stock ones. You want to go to the wash?
A 0 if I could. To be honest.
All right, what about those?
I give them like a 6 or a 7.
6 or 7, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, they're better, but I mean, I feel like it could be softer.
Yeah, that's what I was kind of thinking too. But then what about with 2 people on it, you know?
Yeah, that's the thing.
So
I think it's perfect for 2 people. I mean, it's good.
all right.
Everything's better than the stock ones.
Yeah, the stock ones are really stiff. All right, guys, so there you have it. You know, they're about a 6 or a 7, so they are an improvement. You know, for they're a little pricey, 150 bucks. I mean, not too bad, but we'll see. We might try some different ones, do a little bit more research, see what else is out there. But I think those are good for now. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and hope to see you next video.